Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. In previous video, we talked about constructors, its types and how to access them. In today's video, we will see what is Java modifier. So that's a that's an interesting topic, and when we discuss about it, lots of Java keywords will come out, and then we have to resolve them and understand them through Java examples. So let's get started. So modifiers is something which has some special thing about it, and we can achieve lots of functionality through those keywords. At the end, these are Java reserved keywords. At the end, we have just keywords with. So we can see the other Java reserved keyword, and we can use them for our programming as per our business requirement, whatever we have to do. And in Java, we have two categories, or you can say we can categorize Java modifier into two groups. So let's say dividing modif modifiers into two groups. So one group is known as access modifier. Next, or the next type is non-access modifier. And we must have used this. We have used this public group multiple times, public keyword multiple times in our program. Like either it's a class or with the method. These are the methods we have used, or the constructors, doesn't matter we are using, but we have seen this public keyword. And you know what, public is one of the access modifier in Java. So let's see further if we have to talk about access modifiers, so where we can implement them. So let's start with class level. So if we say class level modifier, so at class level we can use two keywords. One is public, which we have already used from the starting, and next one is default. If we talk about method level modifiers, so there are like four keywords. Public, definitely it starts with public. We have seen methods with public keyword. Then we can have uh, private methods. We can have default, and last from this list is protected. Okay, so these are the access modifiers. Class level modifier we have seen, and method level modifier we have seen. We will definitely implement them through Java program, but for now let's have some theoretical knowledge. So this is non-access modifier, sorry, access modifiers. What about non-access modifiers? So which, of course, there are multiple keywords also involved there. So let's say non-access modifier. So here again we will see in two levels, like class level. Okay, class level modifiers. So at class level we have only two keywords, final and abstract. We can only use these two keywords. We will discuss these keywords in more detail with examples, but for now let's see them again theoretically, what keywords are present. So class level, and then next is method level modifiers. So the keywords which are allowed with method, final is yes, then abstract, oops, then static, then transient, why, then synchronized, and lastly volatile. Again there are other keywords as well, but majorly if you are even facing an interview, you will face these kind of interviews, like what kind of keywords are there. So this is just overview. What is Java modifier? Like list of modifiers. What they do, we can categorize them into two categories: access modifiers, which I mean the name says access, which gives you some accessibility or some kind of access to some resource. And these are non-access modifier, which is not about the access modifier, but they do some kind of functionality or add some functionality which affects our overall flow of programming. In upcoming classes, we will discuss about these modifiers in more detail. We will write examples and see their impact and the way we write their syntax as well. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video.